In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Google Appointment Scheduler in Google Calendar. So if you've been wondering how to tailor your schedule to better suit your needs, you've come to the right place. First, let's talk about accessing Google Calendar. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser on your desktop. Once there, navigate to the Google Calendar site by typing calendar.google.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so that you can access all your schedules and appointments. Now that you're in Google Calendar, the next step is to locate your appointment schedule. In your calendar view, you should be able to see your appointments laid out within their designated time slots. It might help to switch between different calendar views like daily, weekly, or even the monthly view to quickly find the specific appointment schedule you're looking for. Once you find it, click on the appointment schedule to select it. With your desired appointment schedule open, it's time to make the necessary edits. Look out for the edit option, easily identified by a pencil icon. Clicking this icon will take you to the appointment scheduler setup page. Here, you have various elements that you can adjust to better suit your needs. For instance, you might want to start by changing the title or description to provide a clear idea of what the appointment will be about. This is particularly useful if the nature or focus of your appointments has shifted over time. Next, you have the ability to adjust the time slots or availability. Perhaps you need to tweak the duration of the appointments or align them with your new availability. This feature gives you flexibility in ensuring that your schedule matches your commitments. Now, when it comes to the location, you can choose from options like Google Meet, in-person meetings, phone calls, and more. This is especially helpful if you've changed the delivery method of the appointments. Additionally, you can update the booking form information if you find you need more details from attendees, such as additional notes or contact information like email addresses. This is where you can make those updates. Making sure you have the right information collected up front can save you time and help in organizing your engagements effectively. Notification settings and buffer times can also be modified. Altering these allows you to manage how early you and your attendees are notified before an appointment and ensure you have enough time between meetings to breathe and regroup. Once you've ensured all your changes are in line with your preferences, the final thing to do is hit save to make sure none of your updates are lost. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your appointment schedule in Google Calendar to better suit your needs. With these changes, managing your appointments should be a more streamlined experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.